That cover. I just think it's so cool that people are singing this song all the way around the other side of the world. It's so good. Ooh, I see you every time. And on my eye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel The Work Music Talent. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat dua reaktor cantik asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan seperti apa keseruan dari reaksi mereka, langsung saja kita gaskan.
What's up, this is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. And this time we're back with another Putri Ariani's reaction. I don't even need to say how this girl is amazing because you already know very well. I really enjoy that is Dance Monkey.
I say dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
Langsung saja guys ya.
Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. I say dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
We already started like that, oh my gosh.
Never seen
Baru mulai langsung kaget ya guys.
things you do before. They say move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in
Asik sekali musiknya guys ya.
I like the way that she ends the phrases.
And now I dare to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And I love that cover. I just think it's so cool that people are singing this song all the way around the other side of the world. It's so good. Ooh, I see you every time. And on my eye, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry.
Much quality into it, that is incredible.
Dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa.
There's so much volume into it, so much quality.
They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when
That, you know, to give a little twist, to give a little bit of her own personality into it. She does that all the time in just a majestic way. All the reactions that I did so far, she never sings just like the original version. Never.
move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all. Whoa, her voice is so good. I loved her tone. Just so lovely. I could listen to her singing forever. So yeah, she's better than me. All again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking
Dia juga seorang
by.
penyanyi ya guys ya.
Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Oh, I'll see you.
Always change a little bit, always transform a little bit of the music, and that's amazing. I just love her voice so much.
I'll see you every time. And in my eye, I like your side. You make me wanna cry. And I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say that there was loads of harmonies and stuff in there. Obviously, singing it on my own, I never hear it sung. It's really cool to hear it like that. It's just, I can never do that. But yeah, I liked it. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
I wanted to hear more of him singing. I think she'll sound really good doing Avril Lavigne songs. I'd love to hear that. But yeah, that was cute.
She's oh, I can't stop smiling. This is so good.
They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. So they say, move for me, move for me, move for me, whoa. When you're done,
Bikin semangat musiknya guys ya.
The way that she can put her twist into it is so grown up. That's why I think sometimes I don't think she's a child anymore. She's so professional.
I'll make you do it all again. Do it all again.
So she can actually sing. Like
Ya tentu
like,
saja
it was
ya.
all perfect. She got all the lyrics perfect, and then it comes to a chorus. And I feel like
This is incredible. She is incredible. And like I said during the reaction, sometimes I don't feel like she's a child anymore. Like I know she is, but she's so professional. There are a lot of grown-up singers that can sing like that. Can sing. Like they can study, they can practice for the rest of their lives, and they can sing like that.
her own now. Like we almost should do a duet, a collaboration.
Amazing how she has the gift.
Beliau
You
mengajak
can
duet ya
see
guys ya.
that she not only studied, but she has the gift. She has the talent to it, and that's what I love about her. Like you can see in her face that she's enjoying what she's doing, and she is gifted by God. So thank you guys so much for watching until the end with me this amazing video, amazing cover, and comment down below what other songs of her you want me to react next. Okay, so thank you so much for watching until here. Putri Ariani's reaction here on my channel, and I have a whole playlist of her that you
Watching, I hope you loved it. I loved it. Thank you for all your support always. Thank you for doing covers of my fleet. I'll see you soon. Until next time, you can check all these videos out on WMP YouTube channel. Mwah.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.